Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is really special because I am giving my 18-month-old son's room a full-on playroom makeover. He is at that wonderful age where everything is exciting. He loves toys, he is super curious, and his observation skills are just incredible. So I thought why not to give him a space that's fun, engaging, and also helps him to grow and learn. So here the goal was to do this makeover on a budget without compromising on creativity or quality. So I did my research to use some things at home and got a few affordable items online. And guys, if you are new on my channel then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon ताकि मेरी सारी वीडियोस के अपडेट आपको टाइम टू टाइम नोटिफाई हो जाए। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं फॉर मोर होम डेकोर आइडियाज। To start with, I wanted to brighten up the space little bit, and what is better than a fresh coat of paint? So I found this unused paint lying around at home and I decided to use it. I kept the color nice and neutral but not too blue and pink because I wanted the room feel warm, calm and timeless, plus it gives us a flexibility to change the theme and add decor as he grows. It was all fun doing this and it took good enough time to paint this wall. To create a learning corner and to decorate this room, I got these stickers from Amazon. They are available in multiple designs and options. I will share the links in the description box. These rainbow stickers are just amazing to add a nice character to any plain and boring wall. Again, multiple options are available on Amazon and you can pick to decorate your wall on budget. And these stickers can easily be removed without damaging the wall or any surface. My son is already starting to pick up numbers and letters, so I wanted to make learning a fun part of his playtime. So this is the Murphy bed that we hardly use on day-to-day basis. So the idea is why not to turn this into a learning ball. To decorate this room further, I downloaded these posters from Google and got them printed from Photogenic and then framed them. These frames are also from Amazon in A4 size. I will share the link of these frames in the description box. You can go and check out. And guys, one print costed me around rupees 30. So this way you can decorate any space in a budget. If you are new on my channel and enjoying this video then please subscribe to my channel. And guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो ज़रा से भी अच्छी लग रही है, if you are getting some nice ideas from this video then please do let me know in the comment section. I love to read your comments. Please hit the like button and do let me know your thoughts about this makeover. So this is the final look of these frames. They are adding a nice colorful vibe to this wall. Now let's talk about something that I always dreamed of putting in his room. A cozy, comfy teepee tent. Babies just love having a little space of their own. I searched a lot and then I got a website called Akkar Bakkar and their collection was just amazing. They had various options of cozy teepee tent. So here I am unboxing this teepee tent and the packaging is just amazing. You have to assemble this on your own. You just have to follow the instructions and they have given the required hardwares to make the process easy. Very well thought and designed. You will not get these kind of tents for babies easily in India. They have their store in HSR Bangalore where you can go and have a look at their collection. They have home decor stuffs also. So if you are in Bangalore, then please do give a visit. So this is the tent fabric, which is 100% cotton. The frame is of mango wood. The assembly was a breeze. Just follow the instructions and you are done in minutes. You can machine wash this cloth gently, and here's a tip to avoid the direct sunlight to prevent the fading. So this is the new favorite hideout place of my baby. We read books here, cuddle, and sometimes just lie down and watch shadows. It's magical. Just to give it a try if you have a toddler at home. I also wanted a way to organize his toys and books without cluttering the floor. So I got these sleek floating shelves from Amazon. They are made up of engineered wood and quite sturdy. And of course, no playroom is complete without toys. So here I have added to make the space more interactive and fun. A tiny scooter for indoors, great for balance and movement, some books, little soft toys, and a mini slide, safe, sturdy, and perfect for burning toddlers' energy. So, guys, here is the final look of this room. From a learning wall to a cozy tent and a safe play area with all his favorite things, this room is now filled with joy, imagination, and so much love. If you are planning a playroom makeover for your toddler, I hope this video gave you some helpful ideas and inspiration. You don't need to spend a fortune, just be creative, use what you can, and focus on what your child truly loves. So, guys, this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will share the links of all the products in the description box. If you want to buy anything, you can go and check out. प्लस अमेजोन पे चल रही है ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल सेल, तो बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स भी अवेलेबल हैं एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम फॉर शॉपिंग. Plus, I am posting different collections on home decor, kitchen organization and cleaning on my community tab. So अगर आपको कुछ भी बाय करना है तो आप मेरे कम्युनिटी टैब में जाकर देख सकते हैं. वहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट कलेक्शंस देखने के लिए मिलेंगे एंड यू कैन अकॉर्डिंगली मेक योर परचेजेस. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end. See you in the next one.